In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HawkEye Volume Indicator in TradingView Pro Quick and Easy Guide. We'll walk through the process step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll have the HawkEye Volume Indicator added to your TradingView chart and ready to use. I'll keep everything clear and simple, so even if you're new to TradingView, you can follow along without any trouble. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView Pro account and have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually found near the top toolbar above your main chart area. Go ahead and click that Indicators button to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the very top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through a long list. Click into that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now, in the search bar, start typing HawkEye Volume Indicator. Type the full name so TradingView can narrow it down for you accurately. As you type, TradingView will show you matching results just below the search bar. When you see HawkEye Volume Indicator appear in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do that, it will automatically be added to your chart and you'll see the volume panel appear, usually at the bottom of your screen. Once the indicator is on your chart, the next thing you'll want to do is adjust the settings so it matches your trading style. To do this, hover your mouse over the HawkEye Volume Indicator area. You'll see a small settings icon appear, often looking like a gear. Click on that settings icon to open the indicator's settings window. Inside the settings, you can customize things like colors, line thickness, and visibility options depending on what HawkEye allows. Take a moment to look through the different tabs and make small adjustments until the indicator is easy for you to read. Clear visuals are important because you want to be able to glance at your chart and understand what the volume is telling you right away. Finally, if you haven't already signed up to access HawkEye, or you want the exact setup and tools I'm using, check out the link in the description. Use that link to sign up so you're getting the proper version of the indicator and any additional resources that come with it. That's all there is to it. Follow these steps, customize your settings, and you'll be ready to start using the HawkEye Volume Indicator inside TradingView Pro.